In this video, we are going to talk about shocking advancements in food sciences. So before starting this video, please like this video, and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Food science is a multidisciplinary discipline that combines chemistry, biochemistry, nutrition, microbiology, and engineering to provide scientists with the scientific expertise they need to solve real-world problems related to the food system's many facets. Understanding the chemistry of food components including proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and water, as well as the reactions that occur during processing and storage, is the foundation of the discipline. Drying, freezing, pasteurisation, canning, irradiation, and extrusion, to name a few, all involve a comprehensive understanding of manufacturing and preservation methods. The ability to conduct food component analysis, as well as statistical quality control methods, are being established. It's also essential to understand food microbiology and protection. Food additives, food physics and chemistry, flavor chemistry, product production, food processing, and packaging are among the other subjects covered. Food science brings together all of this information and concentrates it on food. Food science is still a young and developing field, largely as a result of social changes in North America and other developed countries. The food industry, which used to provide only basic ingredients for home preparation, is now responding to consumer demands for more refined. The demand for convenient, easy-to-prepare foods presents significant scientific and technical challenges that cannot be addressed without highly qualified scientists who are familiar with the complex chemistry and biochemistry of food systems as well as preservation methods. Because of society's increased dependence on ready-to-eat foods, processors are now held to a higher standard of consistency, protection, and nutrition. Scientific concepts and emerging technology are being applied to food production in order to ensure high quality and competitive goods, and the body of knowledge needed has become food science. Here's a list of the shocking advancements in food sciences. Let's start. Number 6. Seaweed water capsules that help prevent plastic pollution. Volunteers distributed biodegradable water capsules to participants instead of disposable bottles in order to minimize the amount of plastic bottles used in this year's London Marathon. Runners were given over 30,000 capsules, which they could either swallow whole or bite open to release the liquid inside. The capsules were produced from brown seaweed extracts, which are suitable for making biodegradable products due to their natural membrane. It can't be harvested without farmland, water, or fertilizer. If the capsules aren't eaten, the discarded packaging can be left to biodegrade in a matter of weeks, around the same amount of time as a piece of fruit. If drinking seaweed water pods is the only way to save the planet, so be it. Number 5. Meatless meat for everyone. Plant-based meat replacements, for example, have become commonplace in grocery stores and restaurant menus thanks to advances in food science. Concerns regarding the amount of meat produced and consumed by society have resulted in a significant increase in the production and consumption of vegetarian and vegan foods that closely resemble the taste, texture, and appearance of real meat. From meatless burgers to meatless sausages, it's thought that these foods provide a healthier and more sustainable alternative to traditional meat dishes. Scientists are also focusing on creating lab-grown meat, which, despite some ethical concerns, could one day provide a viable option for reducing the carbon footprint of animal agriculture while also improving animal welfare. Number 4. Reuse of byproducts from food processing. Sweet whey, a byproduct of cheese production, was used as an ingredient in a variety of food items in the early days of upcycling. Whey was dumped into rivers and streams as a waste by early cheese farmers, resulting in habitat dead zones due to algae overgrowth. Whey continued to be used in different capacities after this practice was outlawed, first as animal feed, then as a filler, and finally as an ingredient in health food items. Whey butter, made from the milk skimmed from the whey, is a butter-flavored food product. Upcycling has become increasingly important to food producers, not only as a profitable mechanism but also as part of their resource efficiency. The use of fishing bycatch to make value-added goods like surimi is another example of upcycling's past success. The growing amount of acid whey created as a result of the recent popularity of Greek-style yogurt is a modern example of the need for upcycling. Researchers are looking at ways to repurpose this emerging byproduct of food production. Number 3. Food fortification. The deliberate process of adding micronutrients to food is referred to as food fortification or enrichment. The mandatory fortification of all enriched grain products with folic acid in the United States, which has avoided thousands of cases of neural tube defects each year, is one of several examples of fortification improving health. Nanotechnology advances, especially nanoencapsulation, are allowing us to improve our fortification capabilities by, for example, protecting sensitive bioactive compounds from acidic environments, exogenous enzymes, or thermal degradation, increasing solubility, and/or improving release or bioavailability, Singh et al. 2017. New research is focusing on biofortification, agronomic methods, traditional plant breeding, and modern biotechnology to increase nutritional levels in crops during plant growth, for example, iron biofortification of rice, beans, or sweet potatoes, zinc biofortification of wheat, provitamin A carotenoid biofortification of sweet potatoes or maize, WHO, 2016. Number 2. Frozen foods. Cold climate residents have used natural winter frosts to preserve foods from microbial or enzymatic decay for decades. Following early experience with ice making in the 19th century, technology advanced quickly, and by the end of the century, cold air freezing plants were being used in Europe to manufacture frozen poultry that was being exported between countries. Clarence Birdseye invented flash freezing of food in the 1920s, which resulted in a much higher quality product. During World War II, the military studied this technology. In the decades that followed, as a changing population embraced convenience and variety, and the food industry recognized financial benefits such as increased capacity and shelf life, freezing technologies grew in popularity. This has resulted in inventions such as frozen meals sold in supermarkets and the recent advent of food-on-demand businesses that deliver ingredients and goods to customers' homes through overnight delivery. Number 1. The functional drink that helps prevent diseases. A group of researchers led by Nancy Chasquibel Silva, a researcher at the University of Lima's Scientific Research Institute, IDIC, recently developed a functional drink that may help prevent chronic non-communicable diseases including type 2 diabetes. The team was able to design a drink that serves as a substitute for carbonated beverages, nectars, and juices containing high levels of sugar and artificial colors that are detrimental to health, thanks to the help of top-level, strategic, international partnerships with the Institute of Fats, CSIC, in Sevilla, Spain, and the National Institute of Industrial Technology, INTI, in Argentina. We based it on current market trends, which are seeking natural and organic goods with green labels, i.e., functional ingredients, no chemicals, and no added sugar, says the company. The drink is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, natural antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, has no saturated or trans fats, no added sugar, and is sodium-free. The drink was transformed into an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, cardioprotective, hepatoprotective, neuroprotective, anti-cholesterolemic, and antithrombotic product thanks to microencapsulation technology, industrialization of Peruvian biodiversity products like Sasha Inchi and Camu Camu would increase the farmers and their families' quality of life. The research project is part of the University of Lima's mission to inspire new business models in the country through research that benefits society. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.